Over the past 5 years, the Indian government has imposed bans on 9 pro-freedom organizations in occupied Kashmir under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. According to Kashmir Media Service, the banned organizations include Jamaat-e-Islami, Jammu and Kashmir, Liberation Front Jammu and Kashmir, Democratic Freedom Party, Muslim League, Tehreek-e-Hurriyat, Muslim Conference Jammu and Kashmir, National Front Jammu and Kashmir, People's League and Jammu and Kashmir People's Freedom League. Killing of a missing person under mysterious circumstances has led to the protest in the Rajouri district, with the body placed on the road, suspending the traffic for many hours. According to Kashmir Media Service, locals and the relatives of the deceased, Muhammad Mushtaq, staged a strong protest demonstration in the Kalakot area of the district. The protesters said that Mushtaq was killed in the Indian Army's custody. All parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed profound concern over the deteriorating situation in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesperson Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, emphasized that the Indian government's Hindutva policies have escalated the risk of engulfing the entire South Asian region. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent visit to the Kashmir Valley, with profound stress on the tourism promotion, has ignited a debate surrounding the internationally disputed status of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, despite some tourism projects inaugurated by the Modi during his visit, Jammu and Kashmir remains a long-standing bone of contention between Pakistan and India. Climate activist Sonam Wangchuk has said that the Indian government is planning to unlawfully sell the Ladakh's mountains to the industrialists and mining companies. According to Kashmir Media Service, Wangchuk, currently on a hunger strike for nearly 2 weeks in the Leh town, highlighted that the promises regarding the Ladakh's democratic rights. A police head constable lost his life in a road accident in the Doda district. According to Kashmir Media Service, Head Constable Roshan Lal lost his life in a road accident when the vehicle he was travelling in veered off the link road in the Doda and plunged into a deep gorge.